Hello and welcome to a special review. This time for the LEGO City set 60097, the City Square. This is a 6 to 12 set, or as it will be described today, a 6 plus set. It has 1683 pieces and it's from 2015. It's retired, so maybe you can't get this anymore, but I wanted to show this anyway. First, the package. I show you for a short. Then I put it away because it's way too big. So, as this is done, I want to say it has 14 minifigures, 1 dog, 3 cars, 2 trucks, 1 helicopter, a train, 4.5 buildings, a roller, a bike. I hope I don't forget something. This is all we have in the set. I put first we have a lot of things. We have this many guides. So for every set there is 1 guide. We have 3 sticker bows. Sticker bow A, sticker bow B and sticker bow C. We have the instruction manual for this, 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 and the biggest one of all, for this. This comes in 16 bags plus some extras for the bigger parts. So it's a very big set. So as you see, it nearly has place here. So first I put something away that we have better place to look at some of the sets in details. So let us begin with, there is a kiosk. In this you have a bicycle place where you can put your bicycle in. Also to this set there is a newspaper reader, which one of the newspapers can take out. It has a barista, a coffee machine, some other machines like for milk warming or so, 2 cups of coffee, some milk bottle. It has a nice bench with sun protection, yeah, and the roof itself. It's very nice designed, and yeah, you can also put this up if you need more space in your city. And that's what in this booklet was. Next, we have some train stop, train stop, because we have also the tram. So we have 2 seats, a garbage collector, a tree, some nice roof with transparent roof tiles. We have lights, we have ticket automats, and we have the time for the next arrival of the tram. And as the tram arrives, for the tram itself, you have sections. This is the motor section. Also, it can be housing the bicycles in it. So the bicycle perfectly fits. The bicycle perfectly fits in here. No problem. Also, we can open these sections on every side. So it's a complete open construction. Also, there is a seat for the driver when he drives this way, and for the driver if he drives this way, can be removed. It has the possibility to drive on train trucks, and for me, I had the idea to change the wheels to tires so it can drive directly on the road. But it's for me. So, next, what's there? We have some service car which can unload or load some vehicles. Also, there is a driver inside. That's what this is for, and this brings then the vehicle to this. This is out of two, so there is one building and another building. That's why I called it 4.5 building. Can be connected here. For the garage part, there are this ramp where the car can drive up and then can be upped so that they can get under the car to fix it. Then we have this car with a man inside. We also have a girl which is at the service house, and when a customer enters through this door here, say, "Hi, I'm here. What do you want?" And that's for this part. You see there is a hole in here. First, when I disassembled it, I wanted to know why is there a hole in the hole. That's because these doors here can be opened, and you see the door goes in there. Also, you can go in there anymore then, but yeah, it's a simple solution for a 2015 set. So for the other part, here are some car displays. Here's another car inside, by the way. That's the black car here. That's the red car. So simple cars, nothing special, but for display. What I find special here is the tire presentation station. It looks cool, and you can put the car inside here to display, "Please buy this car." That's it for this part of the set. Then, for if there are any news happening in the city, there is this nice little helicopter from TV6. It has also a camera here, which documenting all the scenes in the city. It can be opened, can be put out, and also they have some dismountable turbines. Yeah, that's the helicopter in the set. Then we have some little tiny additions, like there is a hot dog seller, a girl with a hot dog in the hand, a dog, and also if you have other hungries, there is a pizza driver on a roller. There is a looking so, can be mounted and dismounted. The girl with the hot dog is looking this way. A dog like every other dog. And the hot dog seller itself also drives. Then we have some Lego store, and can be opened here. It has two display minifigures, so they are only there for showing that this is a Lego store, not to play with, but you can play with it. It's a spaceman and a knight. So you have there an air condition with exhausts, and also the standard 2x4 red Lego part. You have there some sets and a little pick-a-brick wall, which my son has built a little upgrade for it. Yes, then you have also 1932, it's the year of the building. Then you have this cellar, which is a Lego figure, a Lego cellar figure, whatever. It holds a set, and my favorite part, because I have the new Lego store, or one of the new Lego stores, is this baggage. It's a Lego bag, because he bought something and now he has a Lego bag. Great. Also there is some little minifigure, and yeah, that's the Lego store. Where are the sets coming from? They are coming from the Lego truck. So there is also a driver inside, Lego driver. And how they bring the Lego sets to the store. Here it is this, and unload this. Yeah, that's what's inside of this set. So for repetition, we had the Lego truck, the Lego store, the garage and all the minifigures, the helicopter, the service car, the tram station, and also the kiosk with the bicycle stand. It was a very long review. I hope you are still here. If yes, please let a like here if you loved the video, or a comment or a critique, and you can help us if you watch some next videos. Please share this with family members and friends of you to get our channel more known. This will help us. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye!